Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm here to show you how to create a video in seconds using CapCut. So first and foremost, once you're on the main screen here on the desktop, you're going to want to go to script the video. And now at this point, you're going to want to make a decision. What do you want to make a video on? Video games, commercial, relationships, life stories, cooking tutorials, tech info, or other. Or you can just write a script here and say, hello, my name is, and they'll make a video just on hello, my name is, and then you can choose what type of person you want there: chill girl, Jesse, Julio, energetic female, peaceful woman, American man, Mexican female, trickster, all that good stuff, right? So if let's say you want to talk about a video game, right? We could put true crime. Matter of fact, let's do GTA, Grand Theft Auto 5, right? So we have it here. We're gonna hit OK there. It's gonna work on some suggestions here: multiplayer, high replayability, robust, diverse, dynamic. Any seconds. How long do you want the video? 3 minutes, 1 minute. We're just gonna generate the script. We're gonna allow. It's gonna make it here, and your video is done. So whatever product you want here, they have it here. We're gonna generate video using Chill Girl Speaker. All right, it's gonna generate here, and that's it. The video is created, and you could pick any game you want to, but this is just like the commercials. Let's say you want to make a commercial about oil slick. Go ahead, do it. You know what I'm saying? Or if you want to go to cooking tutorials, you can put shrimp, and it'll show you, it'll create a video on how to create shrimp, or however you want it. And give it a second here. It's at 93%. It's about to finish. All right, it just finished. We got the video here. Let's press play.
Hey there, gaming enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of Grand Theft Auto 5, specifically focusing on its multiplayer collaboration, high replayability.
There's your video, fully there. And if you want it 9:16,
robust character progression, diverse missions, and dynamic storyline. GTA 5.
There you go again. All right, there we go again. Yep, so that's how you create it. Let's get it. Let's go. If you have any other questions or want any other help, that's it. All right, peace.